This is the no-bake Oreo cheesecake. And it's so easy to make. There is only one step that might go wrong, and I will tell you how to avoid it. Since this is a cheesecake, you will need to have your cream cheese out of the fridge and at room temperature. How many cooking videos have reminded you of this important step? Subscribe and like if you find this reminder useful. We will start by getting our Oreo base. For this step, you will need a food processor. Add your Oreo biscuits in. Slowly pulse the biscuits until they become a fine powder. Get a clean bowl. Add in the Oreos. Melt some butter in the microwave. Then add the butter in. Then start mixing. Once the Oreos and the butter is incorporated and turned into a paste, it's time to set them aside. If you're wondering about the amount of biscuits and butter I used, it really depends on how big your pan. I'm using an oven dish which is about 11-inch in diameters, which is like 28 centimeters. For that, I used 2 sticks of butter, which is about 200 grams, and 40 Oreo biscuits. Spread that butter Oreo biscuit mixture into the base of your cake pan. Make sure that you tightly pack it. Then, once you're done, take it to the refrigerator and leave it for at least 1 hour. Start by getting the mixture out. Attach the whisk attachment. Add in about half a liter of whipping cream, which is about 16 ounces. To the whipping cream, we're gonna add 1 cup of sugar, which is about 200 grams, and a dash of vanilla. This is where things can go wrong. This is the dangerous step. And this is how you can avoid it. You only need to whisk the cream for a little bit. Keep an eye on it. For me, it took 3 minutes. Whisk the cream until you see a stiff peak like this. What would happen if you overdo the step? Well, this could happen. You will separate the fat from the whey and you will end up with butter. And we don't want that. This is an optional step. I like to add to the cream cheese and whipped cream some Oreo biscuits. You don't need to break them with the food processor. You want them into small pieces. I suggest just break them with your hands. Aim for a small bite pieces. Set that aside and bring back the whipped cream. Add in your room temperature cream cheese. Here I added about 2 pounds of cream cheese, which is about 1 kilogram of cream cheese. Fold that cream cheese in. Then fold in your broken pieces of Oreos. Now we are ready to spread the cream cheese mixture into the biscuit base. Get the biscuit out of the fridge and then evenly spread the cream cheese mixture in. Once you're done, it's time to let it sit in the fridge for a minimum of 1 hour. Once you're ready to serve, get it out at least half an hour before serving. Then you can either decorate with some Oreos on top, you can do them flat, or you can set it vertically, just like the piece I cut right now. And that was your no-bake Oreo cheesecake. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends.